out here. Jack works really good, real happy with it. Oh, this is going to be a project because I took it apart and now I got to kind of get everything back together. And the thing is just, it's filthy. It's going to need a good cleaning. Out here in the rusted junk garage, we got the fuel pump out of the Heritage Softail. And on the workbench here, the pickup filter. She doesn't look real good. This is a 2003. So I guess we're going to take off the float there, get that out of the way, and then place the pump and the fuel filter and what other parts we have here. So we're carrying on with this thing. Hopefully this gets it back on the road. We'll find out. The Heritage Softail fuel pump is all rebuilt and ready to install. I've just got to get, there's some old gas down in there I want to get out. And then we're going to change the fuel hookup hose here. That's where your quick disconnect is on the side for the fuel injection. So I got to get the fuel out of the tank so I can unscrew the old one and screw the new one in there. And then I guess we're about ready to pop this fuel pump back in the old Harley and throw some decent fuel in it, and we'll see what happens. Well, the Harley fuel pump part of this project is all done, all back together. The fuel pump works good. Now we're going to move on to the no spark issue. I have a feeling I know what that is, so we'll get that fixed and hopefully bring this thing to life Friday.